How to check Google Form responses. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up web browser on a device. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Google Forms. Now tap on search. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now enable desktop site. Now go to Google Forms. Now tap on login. Now once you log in into your account, simply tap on the Google form you created. Now wait for some time. Now select your account and tap on OK. Now once you are on this page, simply tap on responses. Now here you can find all the responses on your Google Forms. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.